rev up your engines. I'm starting a new segment, the best fix of the week. Every Thursday there'll be 4 contestants who make a short 30-second video highlighting their own DIY fix that they think should win the contest. You viewers get to watch all 4 videos, and at the end of the video there'll be a poll where you get to choose who you think had the best car fix for the week. To enter, send a short 30-second video of your car fix to my email, and I'll choose the best 4 to show on next week's episode. The winner of the weekly contest will win a $100 Amazon gift certificate for use at the Scotty store. I'm looking for stuff like this, or this, but not this. For rules and details, check the video description below. And good luck with the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.